Why does it hurt? It's all in your head, Aaron. Never give up, never give up. Okay, you got injured. I am sorry. This is part of skateboarding though. No matter how much you practice, no matter how much care you take, even if you wear a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, you probably at some point in your skateboarding career will get injured. So my personal injury of choice seems to be the sprained ankle. So I'm just getting over a sprained ankle. By getting over, I mean I have yet to even do a kickflip. And then I was thinking to myself, oh, I need to warm up, I need to go through this whole routine, and I need to mentally break through a barrier to force myself to kickflip, because even if I don't feel a pain at that moment in time, I'm gonna be like mentally stressing, like, oh, this is gonna hurt, I don't know, am I gonna sprain my ankle again? And on and on and on. So I thought, you know what? Let me make a video, because I'm sure there's somebody out there who is recovering from a sprained ankle or maybe even a broken bone or something, and you guys could use some advice. First things first, I'm gonna get this ankle warmed up. So this is the one I sprained. Actually, I'm gonna do it on both ankles just to give a good overall warm up. So I'm gonna do some ankle rotations there, and I'm gonna go this side as well. Then I'm gonna do some stretches that are just sort of like up and down. So how I sprained my ankle is I was doing a varial flip. Gabe and I were playing a game of skate and I did a varial flip and I landed heavy here. And then I did the most common course of action for sprained ankles, which is that, just like that. So I rolled it that way. So the thought or idea of rolling it that way again is the most terrifying thing ever. And I should have been doing physical therapy, and I should have been working this out. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't been. I've been playing Skate 3 and I haven't been working out my ankles, my knees, or anything else. And I'm 41 years old. So when you're younger, when you're 16 or 18 or 20 or even 25, your body seems to heal and jump back faster than when you're over 30, over 40, etc. You get sore more, and you gotta take better care of yourself. One thing that I wish I would have known when I was younger is I wish I would have known that eating good and taking care of yourself really makes a difference. So right now I'm stretching my ankle out that way that I rolled it. Feels pretty good, there's no real pain there. I'm gonna just do some jumping jacks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is probably the best thing that I could do. A lot of skaters, professional skateboarders, really good ones, they warm up with a jump rope. I don't have a jump rope with me today, but I've even seen them with no jump rope and they just go like this. They do pretend jump rope, right? But this is good because you're moving the bones. I can feel right now, it's luckily not a cold day. It's a nice, beautiful day in sunny San Francisco, but I can feel the blood starting to go to my ankle, the muscles are loosening up, and this is what I want, because if I start doing the tricks and it's like really tight, my muscles are really tight and they're in pain, it's gonna be very brutal. So what happens when you sprain your ankle is you have these muscles, you have ligaments and all kinds of things in there, and they stretch out. So it basically you have muscles like that and they stretch, and then you'll get the bruising on your ankle, because what that is it's stretched and then it's like bleeding from the inside, and then that's the blood that's showing up. So when muscles stretch and then they repair, then you need to repair them. When you work out, you're basically stretching the muscles and then they repair. So drinking a lot of good water. Also, I'm not an expert at this, but I've been told amino acids are really good for your muscle repair. So in this bottle right here, I have a giant bottle of cold water filled with amino acids. So I will be drinking this all throughout the day. And I've noticed this helped me so much. Some days when I skated really hard and I was like, oh, I would be brutally sore, the next day I was totally fine. I do believe it is because I was drinking lots of water, amino acids, and also I'm trying to eat healthy. I'm not eating like I was when I was 16, which is 4 McChicken sandwiches and a orange soda. I'm not eating like that anymore, which is really helping a lot. Okay, so we're getting the muscles warmed up, feeling good. We do some jumps, but that motion We're gonna start out with the ollie. The kickflip is the thing that just really, really scares me. I know when I hurt my ankle, if I can come back and land a kickflip, I will build those muscles back even stronger than they were before, and I'll be better than I was prior to the injury, which is always your goal. You wanna get injured, and then you wanna come back. Well, I don't say you wanna get injured. You don't wanna get injured. But if you do get injured, you want to be able to do exercises and work your way back to where your muscles, your ligaments, your joints are stronger than before you were injured. Okay, so we got warmed up. We're gonna do some ollies now. See, just that motion right there of dragging my foot up the board and pushing forward to do the ollie already hurts. It already hurts the ankle. So this is where I have to go like, is it too early? Should I be doing more physical therapy that I haven't been doing before I kickflip? But you know what? We're out here. I'm gonna keep warming up with ollies and hopefully get to the point where that pain in my ankle goes away. Oh, the other thing I'm gonna say, go to your doctor. I recently had a skater call me. He was like, Aaron, I just fell. I think I might've done to my foot exactly what you did. What should I do? And I said, instantly, go to your doctor. You need to get x-rayed. You need to make sure that everything's okay. Go to your doctor, get it sorted out, and listen to what your doctor has to say. If they say 6 weeks of physical therapy, do it. They're doctors because they, generally speaking, do know what they're talking about. Okay, I'm gonna do some ollies and stop talking so much, or maybe do some ollies and talk more. You guys have noticed, I can talk a lot. Okay, I was feeling a little better, slightly better. So I'm gonna do my warm-up routine, 5. Ollie 3, 4. Man, it's a nice day in San Francisco today. 5. I feel like I need to do more because I still have a little bit of pain. Like it feels weak, you know? Like I definitely need to build that muscle back up. I don't know that I could fully skate today. Like not 100%, but let's say like 80%. We're getting back there, guys. We're getting back. Man, I love skateboarding. Just the pure freedom and joy of just push on flat ground and do basic tricks. It's the best. In my head, I'm thinking, Aaron, go through the motions of all the basic tricks and do 5 of each. But I don't want to. I want to be lazy. I want to go straight to the kickflip. Okay, so I did 5 ollies. I'm going to do 5 frontside 180s now too. Getting warmed up, getting the muscles looser. This is the key to a good session, especially for you older guys out there. Leave it in the comments below if you're above 30. And if you're below 30, leave it in the comments below that you're below 30. Okay, that was 2, this is 3. Going in on number 4. I might have to take off the undershirt today. That's 4, number 5. Good, feeling better. Okay, my first ollie, the foot was stiff. It's another thing with the injury, especially if it's cold. Your muscles, your joints, your ankle, it's gonna feel stiff. Your mobility is less. And what you're doing with the stretching and the workout is you're rebuilding muscle and stretching them so you increase your mobility. And like I said, your goal should be that you're even more mobile after the injury than before because you took proper care of it. Backside 180. I feel like I have a terrible backside 180. Practice makes perfect. Well, that was a really bad one. I called myself out and then did it even worse. That was 2 though. 3, best backside 180 I ever did right here. 4, little drag on the ground. Okay, number 5. Yeah! Pop shove, it's next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was bad. We gotta rebate that last one. The other thing you're building up with these basic tricks is you're building consistency and board control. Front shove next. I'm really dreading the heel flip, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. 1, 2, you get a nice flat front shove. 3, 4, 5. Oh man, heel flip time. Do I do it? Do I go through it? 5 heel flips. In my head, this was like the precursor, because here's what I'm thinking. This motion right here, like I don't even have my full mobility back yet. So like that motion followed by that feels like it will hurt a lot. This followed by that feels like it's not so much pain. Let's see if I can get it to flick here. Okay, that definitely hurt, but it definitely spun. First try right here, Derek, what do I get?
Get you something from the market over there.
You give me something from the market?
Yeah.
Like a necklace. Oh man, I'm getting nervous now. It's a lot on the line. Yes! That hurt like a mother. That hurt so bad. I don't know, I can do 5 of those. That did hurt. That was the worst heel flip ever done in the history of skateboarding. It like literally went like this. And then landed somehow. But B, that hurt. I should take my own advice and go to the doctor, Derek. Maybe I might need to just go straight to kickflip at this point. Oh yeah, it hurt. Or do I push through the pain? It's not so bad. Maybe I'm just being a baby. Should I do it again?
At least one more.
At least one more, he said. We got to get a cleaner one, I guess. Wow! Are you kidding me right now? Must be that new never give up board I'm rolling. Never give up, never give up. I knew that was gonna happen. I landed 2 in a row, then straight where the sun don't shine. Sheesh. Right here. 3. 4. It's feeling better though. It's feeling better, right, Derek? Okay, that definitely, okay, it stings. Like it's just like right when I do the motion, right in here and a little bit on this side, it's just like it's just a sting feeling. Now I'm out of breath. I'm getting too old for this. 41 years old, I can barely do 5 heel flips because I need to work out. I need to get my cardio going. I feel like I need to stretch before the kick flip. So you know that's what's next, right? Kick flips. We're really out here. Oh, Derek. I literally can't even tell. Like does it just not hurt at all and it's just all in here? All in your head? It's all in your head, Aaron. Bah! Or does it actually hurt and I should do what the doctor says and do physical therapy like I said for you guys to do, which is good advice that I need to take myself. Okay, kickflip time. Let's go. Right here, first try. I haven't kickflipped in at least 6 weeks. Oh, it hurt. It hurt, the pain. But you know what? I flipped it, I caught it, I could have and should have landed it and didn't. You know, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. When you get pushed down, get up. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. When you open the box of chocolates, land a kickflip. It's famous quotes from movies somewhere, some movie. Kickflip. Oh yeah, that hurt. Why does it hurt? Okay, now I think I'm just stretching those muscles newly. I'm moving muscles that I haven't moved in 6 weeks, stretching them out, mental and physical pain, push through it, land the kickflip. That was number 1. Now we're going number 2. Ow. It hurts. I don't care how bad it hurts though, I'm not stopping until I do 5. So I've landed 1. Just gonna stretch it out a little bit. Why does it hurt so bad? Well, pretty sure I know why. It's because I sprained it. Sprained the stinking muscles. And I haven't been doing my exercises. All right, I'm landing this right here, no matter what. Okay, that was better. It's funny, I've done so many kickflips, the motion is like burned into those muscles. Like they know what to do. 3, the muscles know what to do. It's muscle memory, because I've done so many. The repetition has been so deep. I don't think any injury could take it away of like the muscles knowing what to do, but they're strained, they're stressed, they're pressured, and I have to break through that. Kickflip number 4. Ouch! Derek? You know what it feels like? I think there's this quote from pro skater. He said like, feels like my ankle is held on by a thread. Like there's just one single thread and the foot's just dangling there. And I know I'm like being extra about it because I'm just being a wussy, but it does feel that way. And there is a point where you have to build those muscles back up. You got to push through it. Okay, I got 1 kickflip left and then we're done with coming back to skateboarding after an injury, pushing through the mental and the physical barrier. Let's get it right here. I mean, that was 5. But let's face it, that was a bad kickflip. It did hurt, but it was bad. I have to do a better one. We're not ending on that. No way. I'll take it. I'll take it. You know what? I'll take it. Okay, get your stretching in. Take care of your body. Build yourself up. Build your muscles up. Get to a point where you're feeling confident enough where there's not too much pain. And then you definitely work with your doctor, do exercises, work those exercises as much as you can every day. Every day, even 5 minutes will help you so much. I hope that somebody out there got something out of this video. I'm making these videos for you guys to keep learning, keep pushing, stay inspired, and stay on your boards for as long as humanly possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.